Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, but we are in Nanchang, and when I say we, you must know who is the other person. So we're in Nanchang, which is in our province, but the capital city. So we've been here since yesterday, but I wasn't vlogging yesterday because we just came yesterday and we were trying to figure out things, but we are doing so now. So we are actually trying to find food to eat now. So that's what we're doing.
Do you know English?
Timpadong. So we ordered fried rice, guys, to eat, and now we're going to go to KFC and buy chicken. Makes sense if them have chicken too, because last night they didn't have any, but I guess because they were closing early, and yeah, they had wings, but wings too expensive to buy 2 wings for no for eating a fried rice. So I'll show you what's on the menu in KFC, because I didn't get to show you guys the menu. I guess I have to go through, ma'am. That lock. Yeah. Thank you. Oh look, I don't have chicken today. Alright, so we're in KFC. We go order here. Take away. Then I'm not chicken today. Wings alone them off. They don't have chicken so. The KFC you don't have no chicken. I want coffee. So wings I forgot to eat. Wings? Huh? Wings and a cappuccino? So 2 wings. Which one of them are a cappuccino? So yes, stop. Why yes, stop? So we got our fried rice, we got our coffee, and our wings, because that's what we're going to eat. And because we turn on the camera, girl stop trying to say, I mean, now take it out, you should try it, you know? Alright, we're not going to leave today, no, we're not going to. Alright, so I guess we're going to just, I'll try it. I don't mind. Look, wait. Ali. I could actually use a chopstick and eat it because it's Alright, so guys, we're gonna eat and come back. Hi guys, so this is a big jump because the last time you saw me I was outside getting something to eat, and I'm eating again, but this time I'm eating this freaking big noodle. I haven't been eating well, so I need something hot, warm in my tummy, so I'm having this. But we didn't end up going anywhere today because it rained. It rained a lot. So we ate. We had a conversation, and then we came back in our hotel room. So you missed nothing at all. Nothing at all you missed. There was nothing to miss. We didn't do anything. And today was our only full day because we leave tomorrow. So, but we'll be coming back here because we wanted to go to the amusement park, and of course we're going to go eventually if we can. Also, I wanted to speak to you guys about why I've been missing. So, for the past probably 2 weeks, I've been missing because I've been having school 7 days a week. Yeah, so I've been having school 7 days a week basically. I've been going in school for 6. Going in school for 6 and working on the 7th day. So I've been really doing work for 7 days, for 14 days straight. So I was exhausted. I was tired, so I didn't do anything but go home, go to the gym, cook my dinner and all of that. That's all I've been doing for the last 2 weeks. And then this weekend is a holiday here, which is the tomb sweeping festival, where Chinese people go to like their ancestors' grave. So they go to the ancestors' grave and sweep, give them money, give them food, all of that. So that's happening tomorrow, right? But the holiday started from today and it's ending on Monday, so I don't have school until Tuesday. That's the reason why we were here. We came Friday, a full day. I guess we could have stayed until tomorrow, for tomorrow as well, but it makes no sense because it's a holiday. So we're gonna go home tomorrow and prepare for school for Tuesday. So that's the plan. So we're about to get food. So we're going to go out soon. So I'm going to go and get ready for that eventually after I'm finished eating. Mama is in the bathroom showering, so by the time she's finished showering I should finish eating, and then I just shower, do my makeup, do my hair, everything. I'm not going to take this camera to the party, but maybe I'll take another camera. Hold on, I'm getting a call. So yeah, going to a party later soon. So eating and shower and then do my makeup, get ready by 10:30. It's 9 o'clock now. So that's the plan for tonight. Hopefully I remember to record, because when I'm enjoying myself I honestly forget sometimes to record things, but hopefully I record pieces of what's happening and I just add it to the video. We're going to an Easter party in Shoshan? I don't remember. But some place, you know, a place in Junction. It's like 20 something minutes from us, so we're going there. To have fun last night. Well, this is basically the only thing that we got to do. Yeah. But I am not here. I don't want any more noodles. I just want to get the juice. So anyways, I'm gonna finish this and then when you're ready, I'll come back. Yeah. So hi guys, so it's the next day after our night of partying. Like, isn't here? I didn't even film it. Like, I just woke up, showered, put my clothes together, and we're leaving out. It's actually almost 2 o'clock. Yeah, 1:51. Checkout time was before 2. So we woke up at 1 and started to get ready because we came home at 6 this morning. Well, we left at 6. We reached home around 6:20. So I didn't get to sleep until about 7, which is the reason why I woke up. Well, I woke up at 11 and then I woke up at 1 eventually. Like, I fully woke up at 1. Yeah, so we're going to the train station. Can't wait to go home so I can sleep some more, to be honest, or maybe I'll sleep on the train. But I'll see you guys soon. So how much would you rate your trip? 4 out of 10? Huh?
Or 5. It wasn't bad, just the weather. And then
I'd rate it a 4 too, because we really didn't do anything.
And then going on the vibes and the clubbing wasn't like all that.
Yeah, could be better.
Like, a lot.
Yeah. But we learned a few things. So we know better now.
When we return, we want to stay in this area. We want to stay in this area again. We want to places that we can visit.
Yeah. Places to go.
Yeah, should be better next time. Just like when we went to Shang for the first time, like, it wasn't all that. It was just 101.
No,
like,
but we did still. We did go places. We did go on the something. We got the mall. Went to the zoo. And we never go in. We got the front of the zoo, got take picture because it closed. We were late. But we did have ideas of places to go and things to do.
Yeah, we had ideas, sorry.
But it rained yesterday because we could have went somewhere, but the rain. So it wasn't a bad trip, but we are more experienced. It's not somewhere that we can say, oh, we're not used to know. Because the only thing is that it's the fear to come the first time.
Yeah.
You always have that one little fear. Yeah. And then after that, it's like, whoosh. Yeah, that was our Nanchang experience. Would you come back?
I want to come back. I want to go to that place.
To the park. I don't know if you can see it. Show them.
big rock or something. Alright, that's enough.
Good thing we never go yesterday because it rained. I go to that. Yeah. So we're going to come back to go to the amusement park. And that's maybe our last time here. If you live in this vicinity and want to party, Shangsheng's the way to go. Not Nanchang. Nanchang people don't know how to party. Well, for the party that we like, because maybe party for other people different. Well, because Nanchang people, they dress to impress. But the party vibes they don't have. Shangsheng. Exactly. Dancing, and it's like everybody like friendly, and everybody try to include you. You know, even though some of them don't know us, but you feel included, and they show you how to do the African dances, whatever. You know, you don't feel uncomfortable. So that's it for now. See you guys